Hello and good evening. Welcome to Study GS. Today we are going to learn about the basic mathematics for physics. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn some basic maths, some basic formulas of mathematics which you need to remember so that your physics journey to understand physics will become easy. So let's begin. Here is the basic mathematics for physics, and let's start with trigonometry. In case of trigonometry, let's begin. And here is the basic trigonometry chart which you need to remember so that you can solve any question easily. Before going through this table, let me show you a diagram here. Here here is a triangle, okay, so which have 190-degree angle, okay. So here in this triangle, h represent the height of the triangle, c represent the hypotenuse of the triangle, and b represent the base of the triangle, and theta represent the angle made by this particular area, angle of this area, of this particular angle represented by theta. So here sine theta is h by c, that is height divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is b by c, that is base divided by hypotenuse. Tan theta is h by b. So in case of sine, cos, tan. Now let's understand this particular thing. What is this thing? Here in h by b, I can write h by c divided by b by c. This will not change the value of h by b, okay. So tan theta is equals to h by c divided by b by c. Then I can write tan theta equal to h by c means sine theta, h by c means sine theta, okay. Let me use this one. H by c means sine theta, and here b by c means cos theta. B by c means cos theta. So I can write here tan theta equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. So here is one another important formula which you need to remember. Now let's come to this table. Here in this table, what we have some values, okay. So how we can read it? See, sine theta, if theta's value is 0 degree, sine theta's value will be 0. If theta's value is 30 degree, sine theta's value will be half. If theta's value is 45 degree, sine theta's value will be 1 by root 2. If theta's value is be 60 degree, sine theta will be root 3 by 2. And if theta's value is 90 degree, then sine theta will be 1. Now in case of cos theta, 0, theta's value 0 degree, 1, 30 degree, root 3 by 2, 45 degree, 1 by root 2, 60 degree, 1 by 2, 90 degree, 0. Now how to remember this thing? And in case of tan theta, theta's value 0 degree means tan theta 0, 30 degree 1 by root 3, 45 degree 1, 60 degree root 3, and 90 degree is not defined. So now how to remember this table? There is a very simple way to remember this. If you can remember this column, you are remembering this column as well. If you are remembering this column, you will be able to remember this column as well. How? See, in case of sine theta, okay, you are adding 0 degree 0, 30 degree half, 45 degree 1 by root 2, 60 degree root 3 by 2, 90 degree 1. In case of cos theta, cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree 1 by 2, cos 90 degree 0. So if you know the value of sine theta, just make it opposite. you will get the value of cos theta. Just make it opposite. 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 And in case of tan theta, tan 0 degree is 0, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, tan 45 degree is 1, tan 60 degree is 1 by root 3, and tan 90 degree is not defined. Simple. So tan 0 degree is 0, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, tan 45 degree is 1, tan 60 degree is root 3, tan 90 degree not defined. So it's now over. You can pause this video here and you can note it down or take a screenshot of this thing. You can also take screenshot of this as well. So now let's move into something new. So here I have something for you. Just remember it as it is. I can show you a little trick to remember this entire thing. See here, sine 30. Here, if in case of sine 37, it's 3 by 5. Okay, cos 37 is 4 by 5. Tan 37 is 3 by 4. So sine 53 degree is 4 by 5. Sine 53 degree, sorry, cos 53 degree is 3 by 5. Tan 53 degree is 4 by 3. So sine 37 degree is 3 by 5. Okay, so you just need to remember this two things according to this particular triangle. Okay, just see this triangle and remember this formula. That's all you need to do here, nothing more. You can take a screenshot of this thing as well and remember it as it is. Now let's move into the angle. Okay, angle in terms of radian. So there are two ways to define an angle. First is degree, another one is radian. So in case of degree, okay, in case of degree, what do you do? Let's say here I have a straight line, so it might be 180 degree, or I can write phi radian, that is 180 radian. Or okay, here I have another angle. This is 90 degree or pi by 2 radian. So there are two ways to represent an angle. One is degree method, another one is radian method. In case of radian, you use pi, and the value of pi is 180 degree. Value of 2 pi radian is 360 degree. We can write pi or pi radian, 2 pi or 2 pi radian. So yes, or pi by 2 or pi. Or pi. Okay, so here we have all the angles. So just let's look into it. So if an angle is made theta, how you will make it radian? Radian is the length of the arc. Okay, so here I may have made a length arc, that might be L, length of the arc, that will be L, and the radius of that particular curvature, that is R, L by R. So this will represent it in radian. So pi by 6 30 degree, pi by 4 45 degree, pi by 3 60 degree, and pi by 2 90 degree, pi is 180 degree, 2 pi is 360 degree. Just remember it as it is. Now let's move into this thing, that is identities and double angle formula. So here are some formulas. Sine square theta equal plus cos square theta is equal to 1. sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Now if anybody doesn't know about this sec theta and cosec theta cot theta, let me explain you a bit here. Sin theta, okay, let's make a small triangle here. Okay. Here is the height, here is the base, and here is the hypotenuse. Okay, so it was sin theta h by c, cos theta was b by c, tan theta was h by b. Okay, so cosec theta will be c by h, sec theta will be c by b, and cot theta will be b by h. In simple term, they will also equal to 1 by sin theta, 1 by cos theta, 1 by tan theta. So here is the basic presentation of sin theta and cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. Okay, so if you remember it, now just remember this particular part. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Now double angle formula, that is sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1, that is also cos 2 theta. Also cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus sin 2 sin square theta. One of the most important formula, and I feel that in most of the problem you will be watching this particular formula, like you have to apply this particular formula in most of the problem, that is tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Now there is some addition formula. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So very simple. If you remember this one, you can easily remember this one as well. Similarly, cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So very easy way to remember this thing is, if you have sine here, then sine cos, sine cos sine. If you have sine here, sine cos, cos sine. A B A B A B A B A B A B A B A B. Now if you have plus sign here, put plus here. If you have minus sign here, put minus here. Okay, this is that simple. Now let's come to the cos part. Okay, yes. So now let's come to the cos part. In case of cos, what you need to do, if you have cos here, then put cos cos, sin sin, cos cos, sin sin. Next put a b b a b a b a b AB. Next, if you have plus here, put minus here. If you have minus here, put plus here. Okay, if you have plus here, put minus here. If you have minus here, put plus here. So just opposite. So you can remember this formula in these ways as well. Okay, these are your choice. You can directly you can directly just remember it, try to remember it, read it multiple times to remember it, or else you can read it for multiple times and you can remember it accordingly. Okay, so next, it's tan a plus b, tan a plus b, tan b, 1 minus tan a tan b, tan a minus b, tan a minus tan b, 1 plus tan a tan b. Very simple. If you have plus sign here, put plus, put minus here. If you have minus sign here, put minus here, put plus here. So whatever sign it's containing here, just wait. Yes, whatever the sign you have here, put the same sign here. Whatever the sign you have here, just put the opposite sign here. Just put the opposite sign here. So this is the simple trick you have to follow to remember this particular formula. Now, here is a question. If you have sine 15 degree, okay, if somebody asks you to find out the value of sine 15 degree, you might be wondering why you are reading these formulas and all. So here is the answer. If somebody asks you to find the value of sine 15 degree, how you can do it? You have to put it like this: sine 45 degree minus 30 degree. So sine A minus B. Here we are using the formula of sine A minus B. So what was the formula? It was sine cos sine. Simple. So sine A B A B. If it is minus, put minus sign here. So here what I am doing here, I am doing the same. A sine cos minus cos sine, A B A B. You have minus sign here, put minus sign there as well. Okay, so now if we once it is here, now we all know the formula, all know the value of sine 45 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 45 degree and sine 30 degree. So what is the value of sine 45 degree and cos 45 degree? Must be same, that is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Now cos 30 degree value is similar to, is equal to the value of sine 60 degree, that means root 3 by 2. Sine 30 degrees value was 1 by 2, so 1 by 2. Now we have the final answer. If I solve it, here I have the final answer. If you know the root value of root 2, you can solve it further. Now similarly, tan for 75 degree, tan 45 degree plus 30 degree. Here we are putting the formula of tan A plus B. So how to remember that formula? Simple. Put tan A tan B divided by 1 tan A tan B. Now if it is plus, put plus here. If it is plus, put the opposite sign here, that is minus. So here I have the formula: tan 45 degree plus 30 degree, tan 45 degree plus 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan 45 degree tan 30 degree. So tan 45 degree is 1, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Put the value here and you will get the answer. Okay, cot 15 degree. So similarly, cot 15 degree. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, that what is cot? A cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So you don't need to remember any formula related to cot. If you note the formula related to tan, you can find out the formula, you can find out the value of cot. So what I am doing here, I am doing tan, I am like fetching out the value of tan 15 degree. So here I have to use tan a minus b. So what is tan a minus b? Simple, tan a tan b divided by 1 tan a tan b. Now if it is minus, put minus here. If it is minus, put the opposite sign here, that is plus. So I have the answer. Now if I solve it, I reach to the value of tan 15 degree. Now I have to do tan 15 degree. That means now I have to find out the value of cot 15 degree, which is 1 by tan 15 degree, which is this one. So it is just a reciprocal, nothing more. Reciprocal of tan 15 degree is the cot 15 degree. So here is my answer. Now let's move to the 4 quadrant and sign convention. Okay, so see, this is the sign convention. Now let me explain you a bit this thing. Let's say here you have a graph paper, y-axis y dash, x, in x-axis x and x dash. Here is the point 0. Okay, so here at this side of the all value of x should be positive. At this side negative x. Okay, positive x and negative x. Positive x, negative x. Similarly at this side, let me use one another ink. At this side y positive, at this side y negative. Okay, so now we have quadrants. What quadrant we have? All positive. In this particular point, in this particular quadrant, okay, when we have the value of sine, whether the value of sine, cos, tan, anything lies between this 0 to 90 degree angle, it must be positive. In the second quadrant, that means if the theta value is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, okay, sorry, just a minute please. Yes, so in this particular quadrant you have all positive. In this particular quadrant you have sine positive. In this particular quadrant you have tan positive, and here you have only cos positive. Okay, so just remember this thing as of now: all positive, sine positive, tan positive, cos positive. Now I can say after school to cinema. Okay, after school to cinema. All positive, sine positive, tan positive, cos positive. All positive, sine positive, tan positive, cos positive. Okay, very basic thing. Now let's move into this one. Now what is happening here? See, if the sine value lies between 90 minus theta, that is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Okay, so here is in this quadrant everything, the angle is 90 minus theta. Okay, in this particular quadrant, angle is 90 minus theta. So this particular angle is 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Okay, here all positive: cos positive, sine positive, cot positive, tan positive, cos positive, tan positive, cos positive, sine positive, all positive. Okay, now let's move into the second triangle, that is this one here, sine 90 plus theta. Okay, so I'm getting cos theta. Okay, so sine 90 plus theta, I'm getting cos theta. Now here only sine positive, so sine, value of sine must be positive. This cos, don't get confused with this cos theta. Don't get confused with this cos theta. This cos theta is just the value of 90 plus sine 90 plus theta. Okay, sine 90 plus theta, so that's why the value of sine must be positive. Here cos 90 plus theta is minus sine theta, cos. So here I have cos, it must be negative because the value of cos is sine theta, so it must be negative. Now tan 90 plus theta, so tan must be negative in this quadrant, so cot theta is negative. Tan 90 plus theta, tan theta, tan value of tan must be negative, so cot theta is negative. Similarly here, now in the fourth quadrant, here in this particular quadrant, oh my god, now in this particular quadrant, what we are getting, we are getting sine 270, the maximum angle is 270, minus theta, minus theta. So we are getting minus cos theta. Why? Because here only tan positive, others are negative, so value of sine must be negative, value of cos must be negative, but tan is positive, so value of tan must be positive, value of tan must be positive. So tan 270 degree minus theta must lie into third quadrant. When your value of value of the angle is 270 degree minus theta, it means that is something lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan is only positive. In third quadrant, tan is only positive. And now let's get to the end part, that is the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, only cos positive, so sine, value of sine is minus cos theta, sine 270 plus theta, 270 plus theta, this is the angle 270. So from 270 to 360, this is the 270 plus theta, cos 270 plus theta, that is plus sine theta, because in the fourth quadrant cos must be positive, so plus sine theta, value of cos must be positive, so plus sine theta, tan 270 plus theta, value of tan must be negative, so minus cot theta. Now here is another explanation. Okay, all positive, sine positive, tan positive, cot positive, all sine, tan, cos. So let's explain. Here sine x, nothing more than this. See, I can say 0 to 90. Okay, here I can say 0 to 90, I can say 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. Now I am saying 360, 360 plus theta, that is 360, 360 plus this side. Okay, So it must be sine positive, cos positive, tan positive, because these are all in first quadrant. If something 360 degree plus, then and it is in first quadrant, then all positive. Okay, here 180 degree minus theta, so this angle is 180 degree. Now what we are doing, we are lessing up, that is 180 degree minus theta. Okay, so this is 180 degree, we are negating out theta. Okay, so it will lies under second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine positive, sine is the only positive value, so value of sine must be positive, value of sine must be positive, value of cos and value of tan must be negative. Okay, similarly in third quadrant, again in third quadrant, 180 degree minus theta, 180 degree minus theta. Okay, so it will lies in third quadrant. In the third quadrant, only tan is the positive value, so just take it, tan positive. Similarly in fourth quadrant, cos is the only one who have the positive value, so cos positive, cos positive, rest negative, sine and tan negative. Okay, now let's move into the problem. If you have to find out the value of sine 120 degree, what you will do, you will segment it out in between 90 degree and 30 degree. So if sine 90 degree plus 30 degree, so sine 90 degree plus 30 degree, that is sine 90 degree plus 30 degree. So sine 90 degree plus 30 degree, it must be sine 90 degree plus theta, which must lies into all sine tan cos. So it is first quadrant. In first quadrant, sine must be positive, so sine 90 degree plus 30 degree, so it means plus cos theta. So sine 90 degree plus 30 degree must be equal to plus cos 30 degree. We know the value of 30 degree, cos 30 degree, that is root 3 by 2. So we have the answer here. Similarly, now value of sine 120 degree, we can also find it out like 90 degree minus 30 degree, 90 degree minus 30 degree, sine 60 degree, root 3 by 2. Now if we have to find out the cos 210, 180 degree plus 30 degree, 180 degree, so here 180 degree, 180 degree plus 30 degree, 180 degree plus 30 degree, so 180 degree plus 30 degree. Actually we have here one problem. I am extremely sorry for this. This must be plus. I am extremely sorry for this. In third quadrant it should be 180 plus theta. Okay, in case of 180 plus theta, cos y must be minus cos theta. Okay, cos y means 180 degree plus 30 degree, that is minus 30 degree. Okay, so here it is in the third quadrant where I have maybe y equal to 180 degree, that is this one, plus theta, this one plus theta. So 180 degree, so here I have cos 210 degree. So cos 210 degree means cos 180 degree plus theta, that is plus 30 degree. So it results into, as it is third quadrant, in third quadrant only tan must be positive, only tan must be positive, tan must be positive, rest must be negative. So minus cos 30 degree, we have the value. Now we know the value of cos 30 degree, that is root 3 by 2. So we have our answers. So I can write down sin 360 degree minus 45 degree. So it's in fourth quadrant. In case of fourth quadrant, all sin, tan, cos positive. In case of fourth quadrant, only cos positive. So the sign value of sine must be negative. So minus sin 45, it must be negative, and the value is minus 1 by root 2. Sorry, it's minus 1 by root 2. Okay, because if we come to the top from where we had started, the value of sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So the value of minus sine 45 must be minus 1 by root 2. And at last, trigonometric function of an angle is 2n pi plus theta, where n is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite, will remain same. That means sine 2 pi plus theta is sine theta is equal to sine 4 pi plus theta, and so on. Similarly, cos 2 pi plus theta is equal to cos theta. It also equals to cos 6 pi plus theta. Now 4 pi means sine 2 n pi plus theta, where n equal to 2. Cos 6 pi means cos 2n pi plus theta, where n equal to 3. So trigonometric function of an angle, let's repeat with me. Trigonometric function of an angle 2n pi plus theta, where n is 1, 2, 3, 4, will remain same. Sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. So sin 100 pi plus theta is also equal to sin theta. Cos 10 pi plus theta equal to also cos theta. And next thing is if theta is very small, then sin theta is equal to theta, cos theta is equal to 1, tan theta is equal to theta. If theta is very small, valid up to 30 degree approx. So we can say sin 30 degree is half. So sin 30 degree, what we can do here, see 30 degree pi by 180 degree. Okay, so do you know the conversion between theta, that is degree to radian, what you have to do? So sine theta, maybe the value of theta is in degree. Now I have to convert it into, now I have to maybe the value of theta equal to, maybe let's say here, as it is here 30 degree, so I have to find it. The 30 degree is equal to how much rate in radian. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to multiply it pi into with pi by 180 degree. So if I do that, I will find pi by 6. So here it is in radian. Now somebody will ask in the very beginning that what is the use of radian when we can represent an angle with in terms of degree. That is, we can represent an angle as 30 degree or 40 degree, then why we need to represent it in radian? So if we represent it in radian, then this will happen that we can find out the value in terms of normal digit without degree. Okay, so 3.14 divided by 6. So you can understand, let's say it's 3 by 6. If it is 3 by 6, then it's near to half, right? So it's 3.14, only 0.14 times more than 3. This value is 0.14 time more than 3. So it is something very, so pi by 6 is very near to half. So that's why if theta is very small, then sine theta must be approximately equal to theta, cos theta will approximately equal to 1, and tan theta will approximately equal to theta. Okay, so here it is about trigonometry. Now we'll move into differentiation, and now I have to find out the value of sine 315 degree. In case of 315 degree, that is 315 degree is nearby 360 degree. So I can write down sine 360 degree minus 45 degree. So it's in fourth quadrant. In case of fourth quadrant, all sine, tan, cos positive. In case of fourth quadrant, only cos positive. So the sine value of sine must be negative. So minus sine 45, it must be negative, and the value is minus 1 by root 2. Sorry, it's minus 1 by root 2. Okay, because if we come to the top from where we had started, the value of sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So the value of minus sine 45 must be minus 1 by root 2. And at last, trigonometric function of an angle is 2n pi plus theta, where n is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite, will remain same. That means sine 2 pi plus theta is sine theta is equal to sine 4 pi plus theta, and so on. Similarly, cos 2 pi plus theta is equal to cos theta. It also equals to cos 6 pi plus theta. Now 4 pi means sine 2 n pi plus theta, where n equal to 2. Cos 6 pi means cos 2n pi plus theta, where n equal to 3. So trigonometric function of an angle, let's repeat with me. Trigonometric function of an angle 2n pi plus theta, where n is 1, 2, 3, 4, will remain same. Sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. So sin 100 pi plus theta is also equal to sin theta. Cos 10 pi plus theta equal to also cos theta. And Next thing is if theta is very small, then sine theta is equal to theta, cos theta is equal to 1, tan theta is equal to theta. If theta is very small, valid up to 30 degree approx. So we can say sine 30 degree is half. So sine 30 degree, what we can do here, see 30 degree pi by 180 degree. Okay, so do you know the conversion between theta, that is degree to radian, what you have to do? So sine theta, maybe the value of theta is in degree. Now I have to convert it into, now I have to, maybe the value of theta equal to, maybe let's say here, as it is here 30 degree. So I have to find it, the 30 degree is equal to how much rate in radian. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to multiply it pi into with pi by 180 degree. So if I do that, I'll find pi by 6. So here it is in radian. Now somebody will ask in the very beginning that what is the use of radian when we can represent an angle with in terms of degree, that is we can represent an angle as 30 degree or 40 degree, then why we need to represent it in radian? So if we represent it in radian, then this will happen that we can find out the value in terms of normal digit without degree. Okay, so 3.14 divided by 6. So you can understand, let's say it's 3 by 6. If it is 3 by 6, then it's near to half, right? So it's 3.14, only 0.14 times more than 3. This value is 0.14 times more than 3. So it is something very, so pi by 6 is very very near to half. So that's why if theta is very very small, then sine theta must be approximately equal to theta, cos theta will approximately equal to 1, and tan theta will approximately equal to theta. Okay, so here it is about trigonometry. Now we'll move into differentiation.